Hi, Mama.
Hey, Samuel, don't go there because I think there's water down there.
Ow! And the water might be cold. Hey! Stop it! What? Whoa! Hey, stop!
Woohoo! Yeah.
Look at him, he's digging like a doggy.
Ah! You got me!
Let's make a snowman! Let's make a snowman! Hey look, Mommy, jump!
What about you, Mommy?
No.
Daddy! Mommy, jump! Daddy, look at her jump! Hey, jump!
Just don't step in the middle of the...
Might have been nice if you let me zip my jacket up first so I don't freeze.
Woo!
You want to save some fun for when we get to the top? Instead of stopped on the side of the road.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
I'm stuck in my eye! I'm freezing!
Sammy! Sammy!
I'm
Sammy!
freezing! I'm freezing!
Sammy, look! Do you like it?
No! I'm freezing!
You stop right in front of the camera.
Getting stuff in my ear!
Oh my god, you big kid. Oh, you're a big kid.
How are we going to get dry?
Oh.
Aha!
Daddy's covered in snow. Got my face!
Ha ha!